All right, East Fork of the French Broad River. This is the lowest section that you can fish right before you got to stop. Right here, there's a sign over there. Not sure you can see it. I'm planning to fish this little run right here, and it's not a very deep run. It's probably about knee deep. It gets up to about waist deep in a couple spots. Feeding lane is right there in that main current strip, right where that line where the gravel is and the sand starts. That's the feeding lane down and through there, all the way down through there. Now these fish will come all the way over here along this bank, because this bank is a deeper end than the middle, and the other bank is a deeper end, and there's two gravel bars in the middle of this. There's one right here that comes down and drops into this pool, and then there's one on the other side over there.
Hey.
How you doing, bud?
Pretty good. Anything happening?
I just got down here.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I was up top, so I broke off on a big rainbow.
Did you? Oh,
yeah,
man.
I took a merger.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, blue wing emerger behind my dry fly, but
anything coming up to the surface here?
not yet. I'm getting ready to get in and start it though.
Okay,
so
okay, let me suit up and
yeah,
come down.
I'll be here. All right, my buddy's here, Chris, and Austin's up there getting ready. Like I was saying, I made a video about that bank over there, and I do really well over there in the summertime. But those fish, this is winter, and fish don't sit up in them shallow. Actually, there was a fish that just rose right there, right over there in that spot. I'm a liar. Ha! Cool. Let's go get him. I'm gonna come down here to the bottom, and I'm gonna start down here, and I'm gonna work my way upstream. I don't fall on my face first. Now, never just rush out into the water. Always work your way out. There could be fish right here, and you're just gonna spook them by jumping in and walking out to the middle, out where you think the fish are. So it's always good just to throw a few casts, just to be on the safe side. Fishing a dry fly today. Doing a little drag and drop. Just to see if anything's in here. Nope, nothing. Let's come out a little bit farther. Just take one or two steps at a time. Keep short line. Just because you can see the bottom does not mean that you can see the fish. Trout are crazy like that, and they can camouflage themselves really well. There we go. You guys probably can't see these flies aiming straight upstream like this because of that glare. Now you can probably see it. Not seeing any blue wings flying around. Not seeing any fish rising yet. Working our way over, farther and farther over the river. That way we can get in. Put it all the way over on the other side. Do a big mend. Nothing. All right, it's a deep little spot. Watch your footing. Water can be very powerful, a lot more powerful than you think. So respect the water. Know your limitations and just be slow. All right, I'm gonna fish straight upstream here. And see if we can't. I'm gonna come over to this side. That way I'm angled and you might be able to see. All right, let's get over here. And I'm gonna throw up under this bank real quick because I did see one rise when I was up there. Now you gotta get it sideways up underneath here, just like that. What a cast. What a cast. I'm a beast. Sorry. Practice your casting. I can't stress it enough. Practice, practice, practice that casting. Out in the yard. I used to practice casting in my yard all the time. Try to get it up under these trees here. There you go. Yep. A little more farther over. Yep, right there. And go straight up ahead of us, just to make sure. We're gonna stay over here in these. Oh, just had a fish come up. Just had a fish come up and I missed it. I was walking. It was a little fish, probably a wild fish. Dry my fly out a little bit here. Some false casts. Boom, there's a fish. Hope you guys seen him come up and take it. Fish on!